Here is one exercise to help you master your pistol squat. The longest time I did not think I was capable of doing a pistol squat. I thought it was just something beyond my range of motion. And until I learned that you just have to activate a couple of areas of your body you might not be used to activating. Mainly is your hip flexors and your quads. Here's an exercise that'll help you activate both of those areas. Just place a yoga block right in front of your straight out extended leg with your back straight up, and tap your foot on either side of the block 10 to 15 times. Then switch legs and do the other side as well. If you want a little bit more of a challenge, you can add a third tap right in the middle, and you can tap your foot right on top during each rotation, just like this. Do this every day, and then follow me for some more stretches, and you'll be showing off to your friends in no time.